Let's go over how to perform the single arm lat row using a bench. This is a great exercise for training your latissimus dorsi or lats muscles, as well as core stability. You'll need a hand weight like a dumbbell or a kettlebell and a bench to perform this exercise. So you're first going to start standing beside your bench, so it's going long ways. And you're gonna take your hand weight, whether it's a dumbbell or a kettlebell, in your outside hand. Then you're gonna take the inside knee and place it on your bench. And then you're gonna lower that same side, inside hand down to come into kind of a modified all fours position. To begin the exercise, we start with the weight right underneath the shoulder. And then we're gonna pull our elbow back towards the wall behind you, stopping with the upper arm at the level of your back. We don't need to go out and all the way up here, okay? It's more of pulling back. So we stop here with that latissimus dorsi muscle engaged. Make sure you're squeezing your armpit here to really activate that muscle. And then returning back to the starting position with the weight right underneath the shoulder. So up and back, and then back down to the starting position is 1 repetition to one side. As you're performing this exercise, make sure that you're keeping your core tight and braced, and make sure that you're breathing as well. I often will inhale and then bring the weight up, and then exhale as I bring it back down. So that looks like this. So perform as many reps as you need to feel your lats engaging and starting to burn or get tired by the end of the exercise. Make sure to check your training program for the number of reps recommended for each set of the exercise. Rest after you finish one set to one side, and then after you have rested, then do the exercise to the other side arm. Now, one thing to keep in mind when it comes to lat exercises like this, our goal is to feel the lats muscles burning. That is the muscle that inserts into your armpits and then runs into your mid and lower back. And that's the area where you should feel the work with this exercise. But if you're using too heavy of a weight, or if you're gripping the weight really hard, you may feel this exercise more in your arms. So you wanna make sure that you're keeping kind of a looser grip on the weight. Think of your hand as just a hook, and the real work is gonna be in the back. If you feel this work more in the back of your shoulder, it's likely that your elbow is flaring out to the side, and you're doing more of what's called a mid row, which would be for the posterior deltoids and the shoulders. Here, what we're really trying to do is focus on the lats. So you want to think about squeezing your armpit, keeping your elbow as close to your body as possible, and then also pushing your chest towards the bench as you bring the weight up. All of this will help you to maximize lat engagement, to keep the work out of your arm and more in the back. Now, if you're using too heavy of a weight, you might find that you're having to pull with your arm more. When it comes to this exercise, using a lighter weight and doing more repetitions is actually a better way to target the lats than using a bunch of weight and really powering through. Now, I've shown it here with the dumbbell, but you can also perform this exercise with a kettlebell. It doesn't really matter. Personally, my preference is to do it with a kettlebell because I feel like there's more room for the weight as I pull it back, and I don't have to worry about the dumbbell hitting my hips. That's just personal preference. Use whatever you have available. Let me know if you have any questions. You can leave your comments below this video and let me know how you find this exercise, any questions that you have with it, and any other exercises that you think I should demonstrate. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Coach Jade Harrison. I'm an online personal trainer, and if you'd like more information about my program, check out the link below or check out the link in my bio. And that's all for this one. I'll see you soon.